how is Brexit going to affect the EU, and then on top of that, the euro?
So for those of you that aren't familiar with Brexit, it's essentially the UK referendum that occurred back in June 23rd at the behest of Prime Minister David Cameron at the time, to see whether or not the United Kingdom is willing to leave the European Union, which they've been a part of for decades. And obviously the vote on June 23rd occurred, and it was to leave the Union, which many people after the referendum bad about. So what that did was cause the British pound to lose double-digit value against the U.S. dollars. It now currently trades between 123 to 125 per dollar. So what the Brexit vote signifies is essentially by March of 2017, as long as Article 50 of the Lisbon Treaty is invoked, there's a 2-year process for the United Kingdom to leave the European Union, and that's with the backing of Parliament. So Theresa May, the new Prime Minister there, is in charge of doing all of that. And what this basically will do is it kind of opens the door. I mean, I'm prognosticating here, but it does open the door for other European Union members possibly leave. Obviously, a few years ago, you had Greece potentially wanting to leave, and actually many countries in the European Union were asking them to leave, but they're still there. And it also caused, other indebted countries such as Spain, Italy, Ireland to reconsider leaving the Union as well. So it opens the door for that. So there is some concern about the potential breakup of the European Union and how it'll affect the Eurozone. Obviously, Germany has a big interest in what happens here, whether or not this will be an orderly leaving of the UK. So that's definitely something to take a look at over the course of 2017, and potentially more members leaving cause the euro to destabilize further and weaken further against the US dollar. So at this point, markets are fairly stable considering what happened last night, with the British pound trading back to within its recent ranges. But March 2017, that invocation of that article goes into place. Within 2 years, the UK will be out of the European Union.
Perfect. Thank you.